It is really depressing to create a website, optimize it, and post many blogs, but still you receive no traffic. Things become even harder when you have no budget to run ads to get initial traffic. Thus, your only hope is from a free source of traffic. And one of the most effective free sources of traffic is Quora. Quora is a Q&A platform with 300 million monthly active users. A platform like Quora is great for initial traffic for your website. But how can it help you gain traffic on the website? You can gain traffic by writing answers to the given question and adding a link between your answers. However, just adding a link to any answers is not enough. You have to do a lot of things to drive traffic to your website, which we will tell you in this video. So hey guys, this is Sumit from PaperVideo, and in this video we are going to explain to you how to get website traffic from Quora. We will explain to you which questions you should answer, how to optimize your answer, how to optimize your profile for more reach, and much more. So do watch the video till the end. Now let's get started. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon. Quora is a platform where you can answer on almost any subject. But that doesn't mean you'll write answers for anything and everything. So the question arises, which questions should you answer on Quora? The simple answer for this is, you should answer questions related to your website's niches. The links in relevant answers to the website's niche can only have higher chances of getting traffic. However, even if you decide to answer questions in your niche, you still have a huge number of topics and questions to answer. So what should you do in this case? In this case, you should answer questions from the topic, which is having a huge number of following. To find these topics, you can search in the search bar. For example, I typed search engine optimization in Quora search bar, and Quora recommended me the topic known as search engine optimization, SEO, which is having 1.4 million followers as of now. When I clicked on this topic, the result page recommended other subtopics that are very close to SEO and having a huge following in the sidebar. So you can answer the questions that appear in these topics. But there will be a lot of questions. So answering which question should be your priority? You can focus on three types of questions. A question which receives the most views, a question that appears on search engine, a most recent question. All three questions can help you get many views that may convert into your website traffic. After understanding which questions you should answer, let's answer. How to write an answer on Quora which can get more views? Remember, you're not the only one who is going to answer a question. In a popular question, there are tons of answers written. Hence, it's essential to write a great answer for the viewers. And for that, it's important to provide value to the viewer. You can do that by writing a detailed and different answer. The answers should be different from the answers already written by the other users and detailed than others. You should also add links to the blog very strategically, increasing the user's interest to click the link. Write a different and detailed answer. You should also focus on making your answers more SEO friendly. Making it SEO friendly may provide your answers more views as it makes appear on search engine result page. A Quora answer can appear in many places on a result page. It can appear on the featured snippet, people also ask section, and also as a basic result link. To make your answer more SEO friendly, you should add relevant keywords or key phrases which people search for in your answers. Add heading and subheading to the answer. Another thing you can add to your answers is images. Images can appear in the image section of the search engine, which may give you more views. Image can also grab the attention of viewers, inclining them to read your answer. After understanding this, let's talk about another feature which can help you gain more view, which is Quora Space. Quora Space is similar to a Facebook group. You can join a space of your interest and share your answer there, which can help you increase more views. You can also add a website link in Space, potentially giving a good amount of website traffic. With answering on Quora and participating in Quora Spaces, it is also important that you optimize your profile. To optimize your profile, you can add your expertise in profile credential. For example, if you are an SEO expert, you can add credentials like SEO, SEO expert, SEO executive. Besides this, you can add links of your website, social profile, and even links of your answers you written in Quora. You can use a description for this. In the Know About section, you can add the topics you know about and can answer some questions related to them. Now, last but not the least, you should also analyze Quora stats. Quora stats are features that help you to know how many views, upvotes, and shares you receive for your specific or overall answers. These stats are vital as they will help you to analyze your performance. By analyzing your performance, you can make changes in the way you write your answers to make it more and more effective to drive more views and eventually more traffic. And that's it. These are the things that you should do to drive traffic to your website from Quora. I hope you liked our video. If yes, please like and share. Comment on which other topic you want a video on. Want to know more about driving traffic to your new website? Then check out our blog How to Start Driving Traffic to Your New Website. The link will be in the description below. Thank you so much for watching.